Welcome back to another Essence Motorsports video. I'm Jake, gonna be walking through, showing you guys what we're doing this week. It's gonna be a fun week, and we're gonna be in crunch time because this Ferrari needs to get picked up early. So yeah, we're gonna be showing you what we're doing. We're starting off, we're weeding out all of the film, all the PPF, all the Xpel DAP cuts. We have a 2017 G63 or G-Wagon. It's gloss black right now. We're doing a full satin black, full vinyl wrap in 3M. This is a 2019 Ferrari GT4Lusso. We're doing full Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF and Xpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Get out of breath here. But yeah, so this customer dropped off this morning and we were expecting him to do front end, and he decided to do full car, but he said the only downside is he needs it Thursday morning. So now we're in crunch time for that. We have a M235i that is getting taken apart by Mr. Corey Yoon. Say hi.
Hi.
With already holes in the gloves and stuff. But that one is going 3M matte pine metallic green, matte pine. Yeah, you get the point.
Yeah.
We have a really nice lizard green GT3 RS. This one already has full PPF, but the customer was complaining about some dirt and some edges and stuff. And it was done by another shop. He purchased it already with this stuff on it. So we're going through cleaning up the edges, and we're gonna put Xpel Fusion Plus ceramic coating, which should help fix that issue of dirt collecting in the cracks and stuff. So this thing's gonna look really nice when we're all done with it. And then back here we have a Tesla Model Y that we're doing full PPF on, or finishing up full PPF on. We already did full window tints as well, so we're doing the last final touches. And then yeah, that's it. We're gonna be filming some more cars that we get in later this week. I can just see you zoom in the lens. But yeah, we'll film some content for you guys, and we hope you enjoy it.
It's like I'm
Corey's helping me tie my shoes. Huh?
His first day of school. First day of school. Like Mammoth or something.
That's what Taylor wants?
Yeah.
Taylor won't even be able to make it down the mountain.
Isn't that surprising?
Taylor's gonna say, nah, it's too expensive.
And then by the time the time comes and we're like, hey Taylor, let's go, he's gonna be like, no man.
No, man.
And we're like, Taylor, you said you were down. He's gonna be like, no man, I never said that.
Costco pack, a 3-day Costco pack.
What are you talking about? For the Winty?
Yeah. No, right now.
Corey?
I would just like to say that the Ferrari is going really well, and it looks like there's no PPF on it.
Alright, the Ferrari GTC4Lusso is complete. We did full body Xpel Ultimate Plus PPF along with Xpel Fusion ceramic coating, obviously on every panel. This hood is also a lot bigger than what's on a normal roll. A normal roll, I believe, is 5 feet long or 60 inches tall, and this hood is basically 70 inches wide. So we got a custom piece, so there's no seams. We're super happy with how this car turned out. So you guys will get to see all the content for that, and we hope you enjoy it.
I'm gonna be on a sick one today, guys. 55 initials.
Oh my god!
Let's see where we're at. 86.6. We saved it. Alright, what
Dude,
is that?
it's a pumpkin pumpkin cream cold brew.
That looks like.
Want to give it a taste?
No.
Come
I
on.
don't drink that sugary stuff.
They're kind of yummy, huh? I used to get like 4 of these.
Alright, we just finished up another car. We just did this M235i in a full vinyl wrap with matte metallic pine green by 3M. The guys worked super hard on this midweek with doing a G-Wagon, and this car turned out perfect. So the customer's on their way to pick it up right now. They're gonna get some content beforehand, so we hope you guys enjoy.